my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe Math TikTok PH. Thank you so much!
Hello students, happy learning. So today we are going to discuss Learning Activity Sheet 13 for our Term 1 Mathematics for grade 7 students. So our lesson title, Percentage Increase, Learning Target, define percentage increase, and use the formula to find the percentage change between two numbers. Ito po ang kailangan matutunan ng mga grade 7 students. Let's have the definition. Original price, ibig sabihin, ito po ay the starting amount or the initial value before any change happened. It is the starting value for calculating percentage increase or decrease. Another, we have new price, the change amount after the increase or decrease happened. It is the final value after the adjustment from a percentage increase or decrease. Ibig sabihin, ang original price po, ito po yung ating starting price. Okay, or ito yung pwede siyang tawagin, ito yung puhunan natin. Okay, so kapag new price naman, kapag may dinagdag na tayo sa puhunan natin, and that will be the change amount, or ito yung final value natin. Okay, so for that, we have the example. If Aling Rita originally priced the bag at 900 pesos and is now selling it for 1,200 pesos. From the given example, kailangan ma-identify po natin. Alin po dyan yung original price? Very good. That is correct. 900 pesos. Ano naman po yung ating new price? Very good. Correct. 1,200 pesos. If you're going to observe the given, di ba, from 900, nag-increase siya ng 1,200. So, if the price of bag increased from 900 to 1,200, how much did the value increase? And how we can express the change? Ito po yung kailangan malaman natin. Or how do we compute? So, let us now find out. Definition, pag sinabi natin percentage increase, it is a way of calculate how much a value has increased over time. Percentage increase measures the growth of a value compared to its original amount. Expressed as percentage. Ito po yung kailangan malaman nating formula. We have percentage increase is equal to new price minus original price. Yung sagot po doon, i-divide natin by original price. Then, multiply natin by 100 or 100%. Tandaan po natin itong formula nito. Okay, now let's apply for problem 1. Find the percentage increase between two values. So example, let's have a jacket original price at 1,200 pesos is now at 1,500 pesos. So the question is, what is the percentage increase? So from the given problem, so our solution, kailangan makomplete natin yung table by identifying the given. So kailangan alam po natin dyan, alin dyan yung original price, new price, increase in price, and the percentage increase. So let's have 1,200. Alin po siya dyan? Okay, very good. That is original price. How about 1,500? Okay, that is correct. 1,500 is new price. So from the given original price and new price, mako-compute na po natin yung increase in price by simply new price minus original price. Subtract lang natin. We have 1,500 pesos minus 1,200 pesos. That is correct. 300 pesos. Since meron na po tayong 300 pesos, yun yung increase in price, mako-compute na rin po natin yung ating percentage increase. By simply, i-divide lang natin yung ating nakuhang increase in price, which is 300 divided by the original. Ilan ba yung original natin? Nandoon po sa table, which is 1,200. So, and don't forget, huwag kalimutan, i-multiply by 100%. So, unahin natin i-divide 300 divided by 1,200. Ang sagot mo dyan, that is 0.25. And i-multiply natin yan by 100% or 100. Or simply, i-move natin yung decimal places going to right. Kaya magiging 1, 2, magiging 25% na po siya. So therefore, the jacket's price increased by 25% from 1,200 to 1,500. Ibig sabihin nito, yung katumbas ng 25% na in-increase niya ay 300 pesos. Kaya 1,200 plus 300, 1,500. Okay, now let's have the problem number 2. Finding the original price and the amount of increase. Example, after a 25% increase, Carding bought a bag worth 1,000 pesos. Find the original price and the amount of increase in price of the bag. So first, we are going to complete the table, our solution. Okay, so 25%, that is also, kailangan ma-identify natin yung 1,000 pesos. Kaya nga, that is correct. So, 25%, that is the percentage increase. Given na siya. Okay? Yung 1,000 pesos naman, yun yung new price. Ibig sabihin yan na, ilan kaya or magkano kaya yung original price? Kasi di ba nag-increase siya ng 25%. So, yun yung aalamin natin. How do we compute the original price? So, we have the formula. Simply, increase in price, i-divide lang natin by 1 plus the percentage increase. Yung 1 po dyan is the constant formula. Okay? So, all we have to do is, yan, substitute natin. 1,000, yun yung increase natin. Ito po yung ating new price divided by 1 plus, ano yung plus natin sa 1? Yun yung percentage increase. Since naka-percent form ito, i-convert natin sa decimal. Kaya we have 0.25. Minove natin yung decimal point going to left, kaya naging 0.25. And we have 2 plus. Kaya nga magiging 1 plus 0.25, kaya nga magiging 1.25 na yung denominator. Then we can now divide 1,000 divided by 1.25, how many? Okay, very good. That is 800 pesos. Yan po ngayon yung tinatawag natin original price. So, ngayon, meron tayong original price tsaka new price. We can now compute the increase in price. Magkano nga ba ang tinaas niya, di ba? So, all we have to do is subtract natin 1,000 pesos minus 800 pesos. That is very good, 200 pesos. So, therefore, the original price was 800 pesos with a price increase of 200. Ibig lang sabihin, yung katumbas ng 25% na tinaas niya from 800 ay 200 pesos. Kaya nga, the new price is 1,000 pesos. So with that, I hope you learned something. For that, you're going to do the activity. Copy and answer the problems. Show your solution. Ready? Copy. Okay, with that, bye-bye and keep safe.